If you missed qualifying coming into the Salt Lake round of Supercross, the last round, that crash is what took Cole Davies out. And it's one of those stupid split second horrible things that happens in Supercross or in racing in general. He made a mistake on part of the rhythm that they were going downside on that tabletop right there, missed it, and ended up slowing up, rolling, and then just getting destroyed behind from Jordan Smith. Can't blame either of them. This is just one of those horrible racing incidents that's out of the blue and changes things in an instant. Posting on his Instagram holding his Rookie of the Year plaque saying, quote, "Devastating way to end the Supercross season, but looking at the positive, it's been one hell of a Ricky season. Stoked with how it's went. Thank you to everyone that has helped me and the whole Monster Energy Star Racing Yamaha team. As of my condition right now, I have a broken arm and a broken nose. Definitely could have been a lot worse. Grateful to come away somewhat okay. That was a very gnarly crash. Thank you to the whole Alpine Stars medical crew for taking care of me. I have surgery tomorrow morning. I'll be back better and stronger. Everyone, love." So you gotta say, the only thing you can say about this is that it's could have been way worse. A crash like that, getting landed on, you're talking neck injuries, back injuries, a whole plethora of things that could have been way worse than a broken arm. And I mean, of all things, a broken nose is nothing at this point. As far as I've read, I've saw somebody say a double compound fracture of his arm. I don't know for sure about that, but even then, you got to look at the silver lining of what could have been. And the only sad thing is you got to say, well, this basically takes him out of outdoors. All the confidence he had coming into it, all of the skill that he's shown this year, looked like he was going to be, a contender in outdoors. And with something like this, that broken arm, as I'm recording this, the 11th, there's no way he's going to be back on the bike and ready to race for Paula, which I think is the 24th. So sadly, it sucks. I don't know, but you guys tell me, comments down below. What did you think of the race? What did you think about the East Championship? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helps me out. And I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.